Hey guys, Dave here from Design Upgrade Pro for H5P, and this video is going to talk about the Mark the Words content type. We have four pretty simple color options here. There's a default color for the border, there is a hover color for the border, and then you have a selected color for both the background and then a different color for the text. Now, before we get into these colors, I do want to mention that the Mark the Words borders are going to inherit the properties from the General Design tab. So the global border radius is 4 pixels and the thickness is 1. That's what you see reflected here for these. This is something else that I may add some options specifically for Mark the Words for the border styles in the future, but for now they are going to inherit the general design, the global border radius and border thickness. Also, the text in here is going to use, also again from the General Design tab, the main text color is what's used here. So let's take a look at these color options for Mark the Words. You'll see that this green is being used as the default color for the border of all the words. And then when we hover them, you will notice that it changes to pink. And we are going to make the border 1 pixel thicker than it is by default. So we have 1 pixel by default. It's going to go to 2 when we hover. If you have 2, it's going to go to 3 when you hover, and so on. Then the selected color, it's going to change the background and the text when we select a word. So I'm going to select Yahtzee right here, and you'll see it changes to purple background with white text. Now the hover border will still appear when you hover over it. That lets you know that you can click on it again and deselect it if you want. So that is Mark the Words.